Hello, digital entrepreneurs. This is TouchSuite Merchant and Payment Processing and POS Systems. Are you ready to know about high-risk merchant processing, key insights for high-risk industries? In today's video, we'll start by grasping the concept of high-risk merchant processing and why it matters. Then, we'll delve into the challenges faced by high-risk industries such as credit repair and CBD. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments below. High-risk industries, think credit repair and CBD, tackle unique challenges tied to their business nature. Understanding high-risk merchant processing. High-risk merchant processing is a specialized service that aids industries considered riskier by financial institutions. These industries often face higher chargebacks and legal concerns, which traditional processors find alarming. E-commerce payment processing for high-risk industries. For high-risk industries, it's more than just transactions, it's about risk management. Think robust fraud detection, secure payment gateways, and efficient customer support. Navigating credit repair merchant processing. A dependable credit repair payment gateway ensures transparency, compliance, and secure transactions, fostering trust with clients and financial institutions. The complexities of CBD merchant processing. To navigate CBD merchant processing, businesses must find processors experienced in CBD intricacies. Accepting credit cards demands adherence to strict rules, thorough customer education, and meticulous record-keeping to mitigate risks. Choosing the right payment processing system. With the right online payment gateway, you ensure seamless transactions while shielding your business from potential setbacks. Benefits of specialized high-risk merchant processing. Think access to banks open to high-risk businesses, proactive fraud prevention, swift dispute resolution, and expert advice on regulations. This specialized partnership arms high-risk industries with the tools to thrive in the competitive e-commerce landscape. By embracing specialized high-risk merchant processing, businesses set the stage for secure transactions, customer confidence, and industry growth. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And if you're seeking cutting-edge payment solutions, head over to TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of trust from startups to global brands, TouchSuite is your ultimate payment provider. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay informed and stay successful.